Under the Fourth Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, the right of the people to be secured in the person's house, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated. This means that a police officer cannot lawfully stop, detain, or demand identification from a person unless they have a specific articulable reason to believe the person is engaged in unlawful activity. Not illegal activity, but unlawful activity. Illegal and unlawful are two different things. Law enforcement must have a reasonable articulable suspicion of criminal activity to justify a stop. Delaware v. Prowse. In Delaware v. Prowse, stopping an automobile and detaining the driver in order to check his driver's license and registrations of the automobile are unreasonable under the Fourth Amendment, unless there is at least articulable and reasonable suspicion of a crime. No victim, no crime. Under common law principles, a crime requires mens rea, criminal intent, and actus reus, a harmful act. There must be corpus delicti, body of the crime, or in other words, a harmed party. Therefore, if no person or property was harmed, no crime exists. This principle is often summarized as no victim, no crime. If you would like to learn how to challenge jurisdiction properly in court, make sure to be at the Zoom meeting July 30th and 31st, 7 to 8 Eastern Standard Time. For the first 50 people, here's what I'm offering. The court ruled that under a valid stop and identify statute, a person must provide their name during a lawful Terry stop. We all know that a person is a corporation. We all know that legal and lawful are two different things. However, the statute does not require presentation of a driver's license or any other physical documentation. Just simply stating one's name is sufficient. In other words, you are not required by the U.S. Constitution to hand over your driver's license, only to provide your identity if state law authorizes it. Like, share, and follow for more, and make sure that you DM me if you are interested in this course.